First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak on the podium. To be a part of Education family, and I have completed 1 month training, and I am ready to speak any of the topic. Today I am going to tell about which life is best, city life is best, or village life is best. I am very happy to speak on such a good topic, and I am supporting city life. City life is best because in city you can get more facilities which you can't get in village. In city, everything you can get. In city you can get new things, but in village that is not possible. In city there are more facilities are there, but in village that is not possible. In city there like hospital facilities in city are too much good, and in any emergency case you can easily admit in these hospitals, and these hospitals are more facilitated. In these hospitals you can get good doctors, and they will serve you in a good way. In these hospitals you can get every time electricity. In these hospitals you can get pure water, and you can get all of facilities in these hospitals. In city, transport facility is also good. Every time you can get rickshaw, bus and all. In any you can get these transport in night and day also. Suppose you want to go in any abroad area, then you can easily take bus. In city you can get airports and aeroplanes, helicopters, but in village that is not possible, because in village these type of facilities you can't get. In city you can go for enjoy in parks and gardens, but in village that is not possible. In city you can get higher education, but in village you can get only middle education. In village you can only study at 12th class. If you want to take graduation, then you will have to go city. In city you can get more university, colleges, schools, and in these schools and colleges you can get more facilities. In city you can get digital facilities and take benefit. In city you can get good restaurant and hotels. In city you can get 1 star to 5 star hotels, but in village that is not possible, because in village there is no rich people who will go in these hotels. In city you can go for enjoy in zoo, and you can see more wildlife animals like tiger and many type of birds you can see, but in village that is not possible, because in village there is no zoo and all. In city, that's why I am supporting city. Thank you for all.